Does your computer screen get cluttered with open apps and you have to minimize to get things out of the way? Just a lot of chaos? Let me show you a tip that may help get you a little bit more organized. As you can see, I have two screens. I have my backup management on my left screen, and I have my support software on my right screen. In Windows 11, you have an icon at the bottom of the screen that looks like this. If you click on that, it will open up different desktops that you have created. These desktops allow you to keep everything separate and organized. For example, if I go to desktop 1, I can have a spreadsheet open on my left screen and my QuickBooks open up on my right screen. If I go to tab 2, I can have TikTok Studio on one screen and TikTok on the other screen. If you want to create a new one, just click on the tab and go over and click on the new desktop. And now you have a clean desktop with just your icons, and you can set something else up to stay organized. This avoids all the clutter like you see here with having an app there and my browser. I can minimize that, but I'll minimize this one. I got another window open and another one open. Cancel that and close that window, and it can get kind of confusing when you get all those stacked up and you can lose track of where you might be. There's a great way to stay more organized and operate more efficiently. Let me know if it helps. Also, if you'd like more tips like this, I'd appreciate it if you'd let me know that as well.